All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I am the Struggling Day Trader. We are the trade today. Let's go, baby. What's going on, guys? See, the gang is in here. Leon, Signature, Santa. Santa back in the building, already in Tesla. That's what's up. Trey was good. All right, so today is a new day. Today's goal is one trade. I only got one trade today. Excuse me. So, gotta make it good. Excuse me. Um, what y'all looking at? I see Leon's doing the NQ. Um,
JD.
yeah, I'm looking at it. Hmm, I see that. You got it? What's your entry? Dang. 2R? Nice. Yo. Let's go, man. That's what's up. Ooh wee. Oh wee. Ah. Mm-mm. I gotta wait. That's pretty nice, but this is a really wide range candle. But daggone it. Yeah, that ain't no. I want more clear strength above the EMA. This is kind of like getting there and chopping. What's up, Wave Rider? SQ's looking kind of good. No waves, yeah. It's kind of feeling like that. I'm gonna just try to be real patient, man. It's very early for the 5 minute chart. Very early. Yeah. What's up, OG? Discipline day, man. It's gotta be, bro. Like I'll never get there without it, man.
DJT.
Oh yeah. Took 50 points. Nice. Yeah, I see it, OG. I ain't ready to touch it yet. I only got one trade today, man. I gotta thing gotta be good. It's a trip how that changes everything. I like this. This is nice. It's just a little high on the 5 for me. ICCT's washed. Yeah, it's pretty crowded up in here for sure. Yeah, and it's below yesterday's high. Yeah, I'm wilding. I have to take that joint off right now. Yeah, my bad. Good looking out. These SQs is looking good. I just want a narrow range 5-minute candle, and I'm just gonna have to wait for it. I hear you. So there goes KTTA. Yeah, the 5-minute was cool. The 1-minute was cool too, actually. Did you take that with 180 risk, Trey? Now I feel silly for not taking the 5. It just felt like a really wide range entry though. Yeah, I'm okay with passing it up because it wasn't ideal. It wasn't beautiful. Yeah, I agree. This big volume candle right here and all of that. Apt. Biggest volume of the day right there at the top. It's gonna hold. Hmm. It's criminal. What you mean? I don't trust none of these joints, man. Like, I feel like for my one trade a day, yeah, this looked good on the 5. Like technically, I like this 2 candle pullback and the volume profile on it, and then holding the EMA. Like I was thinking 267, but I just the fact that it's below the high of day, like this high, it's moving down right now. So yeah, I thought that was less than ideal. Oh, you got caught twice on it. Yeah, it's criminal. I feel you. Yeah, see this joint is down, trending. I mean, it's Still up on the 15, but don't be Billy. Yeah. It's kind of cool, but not after that. If this joint actually throws a higher low, I mean, which I mean, it kind of is, but this is nasty. Yeah. Feel like I'm being gun shy right now. I mean, this is good on the 5. Kinda. Let me just wait a little bit. She dies. She dies. Yeah. Looking real turbulent. I know, right? Like, bruh, I'm not gonna just let off my one shot into the wind. Uh, Now I'm thinking I want to take it. I'm still gonna wait. It's gonna go. It's looking like rocket ship, but I'm just wait. It's super choppy. Yeah. Looking like a good trade on the cues. Not clean, man. Something I can feel good about. Dean. Criminal. Yeah, I know. Everything looks super sketch. This would be the moment right here to break it this high. stop here. Or if I'm doing it on the 5, like I said, stop would be here or here. Nah, I wasn't, man. I glanced at it though. I saw that it made a new high. It made a high over yesterday's high. Like what? It's pretty wild, man. Yeah, it's just not good enough. It's just not good enough. No, he just longed randomly. Yeah, I don't want the pullback to have that kind of volume. One is stressful. Oh yeah. Mm. It's a whole different story on the 2 minute. I got you. Kind of want to take these SQs off the 5, to be honest. This looks good now. Nah, not yet. I really don't want to mess with it until we get a high over this level and then a pull back on the 5. So we could be talking another 20, 30 minutes. Oh, man. Tesla. First Green Day bounce play. Thanks, OG. Entry's long gone. Yeah. It's 9:46. For real. Oh man. That's tough. Dang, two of them. 2 times. Yeah, SQs is looking kind of cool over here, bud. 15 looking good on the SQs. It's looking like a short day for the market. Mm, 5 looking kind of good. We must wait. Yep, SQs. I'm telling you, man, it looks good. I want a little more of a narrow range entry than this big old candle right here. KTTA is dying. 4380. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I mean, I'm tempted to take this 5 minute candle, but I still just where this lower high I ain't feeling. You know, definitely got to get a higher high over this, but a part of me wants to just to take a buy over the high of this red candle, stop under this low, but it's just not enough. Not enough for me to feel good about that long. The SQs had enough, but I just wanted I want a more narrow range entry closer to the EMA. What, PRFX? Yeah, nah. I don't want to buy at this lower high. Like I gotta stop breaking uptrend principles like that. You know, the principle is the higher high, higher low. So once we got the lower high in, we gotta wait for a higher high. Oh man, SQs. I should have took it, bro. If I didn't have just one trade today, I think I would have took this. Yeah, straight up trade. Ooh. Sorry, keep yawning, yo. It's a little tired. Nasty. Hmm. Now we got the higher low. Possibly. Got 238 here. 245. Yeah, we talking about like 5, 10, 15, 20. They got a minute. This thing look done. Yeah, I mean, it had to make a new high over this candle. I mean, really, yeah, it's not looking likely that we're gonna have a trade on this. Hmm, little reversal action. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm, mm, mm, mm. Man, that's all we got today. PRFX and KTTA. Nah, bro, I ain't trading the basket till the SPY get back over some sort of level. I know, right? It could be. I kind of like that. I like this right here on the KTTA though. This would be a cool trade right here. Nice little extended down, but it's in a downtrend, yo. It's in a downtrend. Boy, this SQQQ trade looking better and better. Had I gotten in somewhere in here, but there's just not really a good looking entry, which is why I didn't take it. Yeah, I mean, the level's definitely nice, but there's nothing here saying buy me at all. And the volume is just gone. How we doing over there on Tesla, Santa? I see a couple bounces on the day. Hoping you got some out on 260 on this pop, maybe. This thing right here is nice. Took $2. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. This looks like the moment right here. Volume's been super steady. Finally get a narrow range 5-minute candle. In the downtrend, though, I gotta remember we're not buying until we get a new high. Not buying until a new high. Yeah, here he goes, man. Dun, 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 dun. There's definitely some confirmations you can wait for on the one. Like a higher high. Got kind of a higher high going above here. Yeah, see, that's a cool little 5-minute. Maybe just back up to the EMA. This is super weak, though. This right here, this 2 candle, this is super weak. Nobody cares. Yeah, this probably gonna get slapped. Nobody cares. This, on the other hand, starting to look interesting. 45, 45. Little 5-minute double bottom right here. Little volume coming in. This might be it, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna let this. Bro, the SQs was the move today, man. Hmm. All right, Santa. Yeah. Yeah, I've been watching the SQs all morning. I felt it coming too, but I just didn't get like the pretty entry that I wanted. So decided to hang back. It's not though. What's up, Jack? Mm, yeah, I'm just looking. It's below all the volume of the day right now.
PSLV.
PSLV. Downtrending on the daily. I have to find something new? What you mean? What's up with the clear board? I haven't taken any trades today, Jack. It's like is it broken? Jack over there tapping on his phone like hello. Is this thing on? Reloading, right? Dang, y'all, there's nothing here. There's like this is definitely done. Buy some Tesla stocks. I got some Tesla ETF stuff in my swing account actually. And it's probably one of the worst swing trades I've ever done. Anything with them boys? I don't know what you mean. Them boys. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna double down on my Tesla ETF though. I probably missed it. Yeah, it's over, y'all. It's over. Uh-oh, here we go. Market crashes equally by, yeah, no doubt. If I was gonna force a trade, this would be the moment right here. Nice narrow range, super good RR. We got the 5-minute. But it's just too many reasons not to take the trade. If it was in an uptrend, like if this was a higher high and this, was up here testing the EMA on a higher low type of deal, then it would be like no reason to not take it. Yeah, Trump was bragging about it too. It's like the best day we've had in a long time. Yeah, this is no good. I know, right? It's like a video game. Definitely getting some volume over here. That might have been the lick right there. If we was gonna take one, you know. Hmm. Um, I'd say 11 at the latest, but um, I mean, I don't see me taking a trade on anything unless I just collapse from waiting on PRFX and just decide to take a trade. But like to me, I mean this is an opportunity, but um I think the most likely expectation is for this to make a lower high and keep pushing down. Um this is a nice volume spike, but it's just not A plus, you know. It's downtrending until it's not. Yeah, for sure, Trey. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely holding up. You think it's gonna go? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at right now, Leon. Like all the big volume candles of the day are red. Yeah, I gotta stand 10 toes down on needing to break this high before it's action. Hmm. Nah, look at the 15, bro. It's holding the lows though, but spikes are getting lower and lower. Here comes the bull or the bear. Yeah. Well, it looks like KTTA is dead officially. And what's up with this? I mean, this thing got a lot of work to do. Oh, to get the dip on this wick down at 250. I'm just waiting for PRFX to break 239. And we're done. Yeah. Oh yeah. Something. Something definitely could happen, but look at these two candles, like no volume. it's going down, bro. It's going down for real. What's up? Well, I've been doing a lot of over trading, and we decided that I was gonna try one trade per day, and the goal with that is that I will be more selective and picky with the trade that I take, and I think that has definitely happened today because I have not taken a trade. Yeah, only thing I really have on watch is PRFX and KTTA, and looking for entries on the 5, and I just have yet to, just haven't seen anything, you know. So nothing to trade. Normally, you know, I'd just be like, "Well, let's try this." You know, like I don't see a setup, but let's look at this candle. We could try that, and I would just be trying things. And if my setup came along, I would trade that too, and that's usually when I would make some money. But I would just also be just trying things all day. Yo, all right, that's a wrap. Dang, it was pretty easy to see that this is where it was going. Yeah, me too, Jack. Me too. Cause I think I'm decent at reading the price, but I'm just too careless about like truly defining the moment that's actually worth risk. Yeah, it might be Trey. Should have had that order sitting there. It's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. Could still be a trap. Somebody about to get slapped. Look at the 5 now though. Now that's looking saucy. But it's still downtrending and it just made a new low of day. So, I mean, even though that was a powerful buy up of the dip, it's still downtrending. So, I just can't do anything. We'll look at the SQs. But now I would be like, that's this little long leg, and now this is where you put your stop loss if it doesn't keep going. Although we got a nice level right there. Squeeze shorts, then trap Billy through highs. Wow, here it goes. All right, we got one new high. Finally got a. That's pretty obnoxious. I know, man. Yeah, you got the vision, Leon. But sometimes it's just not worth it. You know, the idea's right, but you just kind of look at there's a couple reasons not to take it, so you just don't take it. It's all good. Yeah. That's where I got my line in the sand up here at too, OG. Yeah, I really don't want to buy in this range, but I mean, even if it breaks 320, like the pullback that it would need to do, just like we're talking about like another large amount of time. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, down here 239. Yeah, that 240 buy though. That's bad advice. Yeah, but the problem is that um Kevin, is that I'm not patient enough to just only trade the 10 A plus setups. Like if I was that disciplined like today and I didn't trade anything unless I considered it A plus, then that would be cool, you know. But the idea is to try and be more selective so that I can weed out those A plus setups from the many, many trades that I've been taking every day. Exactly, Leon. Exactly. Like I had the machine gun out, I could just spray a few bullets over there and spray a few bullets over there. No big deal. I got the big backpack with all the ammo in it. Do I want to be rich? Yeah, I definitely would love to be rich. Um, what's stopping me from being disciplined? I don't know, man. It's difficult. I don't know. I can't like think of a single thing that's like this one thing is stopping me. Um, I don't know. Been trying different things to figure it out. This whole journey has been about figuring myself out more than the market. I feel like the market's pretty simple. I mean, it goes up and it goes down. Buy it after it goes down and sell it after it goes up. But it's just making yourself be what you need to be in order to consistently do those things. That's what's difficult. At least that's what I've found to be difficult for me. Um, yeah, I'm with you, Knives. I'm absolutely with you. Yeah, no trades today, home runner. I decided to we as a my pod we collectively decided that one trade a day was the way to go. to try and help me be more selective with my trades. And I did not see a trade. The me that was here yesterday, I think he would have found a few things to trade today, but I don't know. This was super choppy on the one. Like, it's nasty. And yeah, I don't know. I might not have been able to. I might not have traded anything as my yesterday person. I mean, actually, like the dude who was here yesterday. This I might have traded this. I might have tried one of these right here. Actually, yeah, this is definitely a group decision. Yeah, for sure, home runner. Like when everything's good, when the market is going up and everything's uptrending, like those type of days are like usually pretty easy for me because the setups are everywhere and I don't get impatient and distracted because there's actively things that are fitting my criteria. But when the market's going down, like my setup is like super scarce. Like you gotta really be patient and you gotta really find it and and so coming from the days where I could just trade everything to being like, man, you might not be able to trade anything today. I just wasn't of that mindset, man. I want to trade every day, multiple times. So just had to step back and gotta do something different, man. Because I feel like I got I know what I want to do. Like I know what type of trader I want to be, and I've been able to find, those setups. But it's just the patience to actually wait. So today was an awesome step, I think, in the right direction. And I was worried though, because like literally, I don't know who's gonna sit down here. Um, I think about it all night and think about it all morning and all of that, and then still when the bell rings, it's like, man, I don't know, what could happen. Something could happen. You could buy something and get flushed, and then now that messes up my mindset, and now I'm like emotionally trading, and everything goes out the window, and like, so I was just hoping I could just come in and not act a fool and just stick to the guns. We trading on the five. We just making one trade today, being patient, not trading a downtrend, all of that stuff. Yeah, for sure. That's insane, OG. Yeah. So yeah, man. I think is this my first no trade day ever on the stream? I think so, man. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I've never like in the I just hit my video my 1 year video versary on YouTube in March. Pretty sure. Um it feels great. It's like, oh, this is what you have to do. Like, oh, yeah, PRFX is rolling now. This was the moment right here. 240 Leon. Right here. Yeah, you right, home runner. It's been telling, and I've been making little changes trying to figure it out. I don't think I've been too stubborn, but yeah. Yeah, I've definitely noticed in long consolidations, it needs the sweep first. Like it needs to break into the opposite direction first, and then well, looky here, we finally got a new high of day on PRFX.
XPEV.
Yeah. I mean, now for me, it's at resistance. So I mean, I probably need another 10, 15 minutes for it to set up and me to be able to trade this. Yeah, I'm not trading today, bro. I'm done. Uh, yeah, this thing's been trading like trash all day. I mean, it could definitely clean up over the highs, though. You know, it could definitely clean up. But this line actually is resistance from the last high volume trading day and the one before that. So yeah, for sure. Look at that though. Ew. Uh-huh. Slappage. Criminal. Slappage. Yeah, Billy, bruh. Do not be Billy. Yeah, bro, this thing's been trash all morning. It looks terrible. Like this is one of the nastiest 1 minute charts I've seen in a long time. Yeah, I know. I might have got it up in here somewhere, or I might have waited for the break. So hopefully I wouldn't have got in, but like if this candle broke over these highs, I might have got in with a stop under there. This might be the entry right here though. Ooh. I don't know. Might be time for the SQs over here.
LI.
Dun, 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 dun. Nah, I don't like how I didn't hold these highs up though. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing today. The time is gone. Yeah. Yeah, see, this was an idea right here, but look at this big, huge volume slap up here. Man, Leon, that 240, bro. Um, Pretty much the same. I'm looking for, I got check my gap scanner in the morning and looking for things that are uptrending on the daily, gapping up over yesterday's high R vol, and good setup on the daily as far as like not the day after a wide range move up, room to resistance, stuff like that. So my typical pre-market process is still the same, but The main adjustment is just the mindset that I only have one trade, and so I want to make it really good. You know, I don't want to just be frivolous and buy the first, first thing that starts moving around fast. So it's just really about making myself really think about each trade before I make it, and to put more weight on it, and to not just be, slingshot and ninja stars everywhere. There it goes, man. Whoa, there it went. Is it really possible? What you mean, signature? To trade one trade a day? I don't intend to do this forever. Oh, Billy, no. Hey, Billy might make it out alive. She rolling down. Yeah, this was a cool move right here. Yeah, it ain't even worth it, bro.
HYFN.
I'm just watching for entertainment right now. Yeah, that's sad, man. Cause that's definitely where you put your stop at. Well, you should have put it up. You should have put it under here though. You should have definitely found a low to put it
SVM.
under. But yeah, this is a cold-blooded wick right here to break through three like that. Yeah, it's definitely moving up. I just need a 5 minute reason though. Yeah. Just dump the whole bid side. Man, I need to take some allergy medicine. My eyes are like running like faucets. You just took one trade today, too, Trey? That 2R banger you had? That's what's up, man. That's a big W on the day. Heck yeah. Yeah, this is just a uh like a training exercise, signature, just to help change my mindset. Like eventually I want to get back to, I don't want restraints. Like those type of restraints. I just want to have my buy criteria and my, my watch list criteria and my entry criteria, and I just trade that, and I don't need any like bumpers. You know what I mean? But right now I'm trading too much, and I'm trading things that don't fit my criteria. So I just kind of want to slow it down and get into the habit of being strict and picky. And once that happens, then we can graduate to 2 trades a day, and then then just be like, all right, we just trade whenever the setup comes. Yeah. Man, that would have sucked to buy this narrow range candle and it be working, going good, and then get wicked out right here, and then it continue up. That would have been so frustrating. Even if you had your stop low a day, you still would have got wicked out. Hopefully not back in chaos signature. I want to one trade per stock. Yeah. UNH. Yeah, that makes sense, Leon. I've been doing 2 to 3 cent under my levels lately instead of just one. Yeah. I don't know if that would that have been enough? UNH. Was this a United Health? Nvidia. Wow, Nvidia had a day yesterday, boy. Yeah, see, I don't like days after days like this because big wide range move up. The next day is almost always a narrow range or a resting day or inside day. Yeah, I definitely try to give it a couple pennies. How much lower did it go? It went 34 and the low of day was 38. Yeah, there's no way I would have gave it 5 cents. I would have got slapped. There was no winning on that one. See, now it's starting to actually become a setup. It's still far away from the EMA though. But now we got like a setup. We got a higher high. And then we get like a nice 2 candle pullback on the 5. And shoot, maybe if it even closes above this high a day, that would be pretty good. But it's still, I want to get it here at the EMA. But it's good resistance. I mean, you know, that could be support. um, it's the low of this high volume candle, which was 218. Actually, no, I put this level at the top at the high of day because I put that there to say that I wasn't trading it unless it broke above that high. Yeah, my bad. I thought I put a low under there though. Might have been me. Yeah, I think I just used the high of day. But like I mean it's really right into this day too. And this day. Yeah, there's nothing good about this chart at all. At all. Low of this day is 337. Yeah. This 5 is looking good though. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, it's right into what I would consider resistance. I mean, I don't know how much. It's first time back into this level since the 18th. Also got slapped there at pre-market too. Probably get slapped there again. This 5 is shaping up real nice though. Low is 302. Put your stop at like 299, 298. Entry 327. What's this looking like on the 1? Oh man, it's looking good on the 1 too. Nah, I know it ain't. After this big leg up. Nah. Nah, dog. Yeah, and it's extended on 5/15. Mm-mm. Yup. Hey, look at KTTA over here rounding the corner. Man, still kicking pretty decent volume, or starting to. That's pretty crispy. But still below 160 level and below the EMAs. Wow, I just see how much I'll just be getting caught up in these mediocre trade ideas, like just not looking at a couple things, like the fact that it's in a total downtrend below this level. uh, yeah, today is nothingness for sure. All right, Santa. Thanks for hanging out, man. Good to see you again, bro. You know what, guys? I'm getting out of here too, man. I'm gonna close my platform and I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna feel good about a day of discipline. Like, wow, I don't know if I've ever done that. Nah, bro, I'm not. I mean, there's nothing to scratch, like, but nah, I definitely gotta hear it. Dang, what up, Ben? Whole new world. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, Leon. Appreciate it, Trey. Uh, yeah, this is the way. I've just been taking way too many trades, and my setup just doesn't present that many opportunities on a day. Like Ben been telling me for a year now. But yeah, it's falling through the floor now, Leon. Man, yeah, man. I think we read the price action pretty good today and stayed out of I mean 240 was nice. Leon called 240 250. That would have been great. But the chart was just too ugly, man. It was just the price action was just too nasty, man. First miss of the week. It's not bad on Wednesday. Today Wednesday? No, today's Thursday. Yeah, man. Any red days this week, Leon? Nah, my man. That's what's up. Dang. No trade day, y'all. Last was March 27th. That's what's up, man. Yeah, I see myself like that one day, Leon. Wow. That's so awesome, bro. Man, that's so awesome. I know, bro. Like, you imagine having the best week of your life in the stock market? That's super cool. Actually, you know what? I had a week like that recently. It was really nice. I didn't make that much money. Like it wasn't like money wise, but just like having a good consistent week. Yeah, it was cool. All right, man. I'm out of here, y'all. We did it. We came, we saw nothing, and we did nothing. Oh yeah, this was definitely the day, like the moment to seize. Yeah, well done, sir. Well done. But yeah, man. Oh my. The 5 is actually like doing what I said would take 30 minutes to do 30 minutes ago. And coming back down, and now it's getting close to the EMA whole dollar level. But yeah, I'm out of here. It's starting to look kind of nice. What's this 1 minute doing? Right below. It's just so choppy. Yeah, and I don't like the like this is what we have to trade into is resistance and stuff. So yeah, this thing's dead. I'm over it. We did it, y'all. Closing it. Closing it. Oh, keep doing that. We did it. Man, we did it. One trade a day. Entry stop, 5 minute chart only. We did it. Appreciate all the help, guys. We'll come back and try to do it again tomorrow, man. Anyway, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Maybe do a little review video and talk about it. No trades to go over. All right, y'all. Peace.